the Heart Lake, Goa, or the Suicide Point. Welcome to Goa, my Goa vlog with Albert. Today I'm going to explore another hidden gem of Goa. The heart-shaped lake, also more famously known as the Suicide or the Lover's Point. I am beginning my journey from Margaon via the Vedna Highway. This is New Church at the left-hand side. The Vedna Highway Road. Today the traffic was just normal, otherwise it is always heavy traffic on this road. We are reaching the airport road from here. The airport road is the only road which is much better and improved one compared to other roads in Goa. Quite safe to drive. You can see those oil tanks at the right hand, and on the left is the Zuari Agro plant. Remember to take the left just one signal before the airport. Well, the location, the hidden and less explored wonder is located off the road near the more famous star resort, that is Bogmala Beach in the south of Goa. The distance from Margaon via Vedna Highway NH 566 is about 29 kilometers, that is around 50 minutes driving. The distance from Panjim as per the map is 30 kilometers, which is a little more than hour's distance. The best landmark to easily reach this spot is the Indian Coast Guard District headquarters, Vasco. Since the map is not really accurate as far as going to Heart Lake is concerned, I would suggest to you to watch the video until the end. The road is slightly difficult to drive on for two-wheelers on this road at the moment. Just nearby there is a parking area where one can park and walk for a couple of minutes. There is one particular location from the top of the hill from where the exact shape of the lake can be viewed. Recently, main access of the area has become private property, hence trespassers are prohibited to go there. There is an alternative option next to it leading to the location. We are almost there. Take a view of the surroundings first before I show you the lake or the lagoon. Keep watching. I love these coconut trees and the beautiful view. Just see the height of the hill and the sea rocks below, and the lake now, the heart-shaped lake. It looks beautiful from any angle. Saw few locals and tourists coming in there on and off regularly. The heart-shaped lagoon, which is somewhat located in an isolated seashore at Chikolna, Vasco. The serene spot with rocky shoals and a beautiful sunset spot as well. The lake is surrounded by the beautiful sea, hence the view is simply amazing. Truly another hidden gem of Goa which is hardly visited by the tourist. Heart-shaped lake in Goa. This is a small lake in a shape of a heart which is beautiful when viewed from the top. The view from the top of the lake is mesmerizing, and if you are photography enthusiastic, then this place is ideal for remembrance. Well, the conclusion, it is a deserted area and one is advised to leave that place before the sunset maximum. I highly discourage this place for children, keeping in mind the safety aspects. Swimming in the lagoon is not recommended. The most stunning sunset can be viewed along with the sounds of the sea crashing waves hitting the rocks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will certainly appreciate your comments on this video. Please do give me your feedback for further improvement. You take care until I explore another spot in Goa. See ya and bye-bye.